explain what are the questions posed in an interrogation before an ecclesiastical tribunal. General part: your name, your age, your address, how long, how well did you know the petitioner respondent before you got married? How long was your courtship? Do you know your former spouse's present address? Was your former spouse ever baptized? If not, how do you know this? If yes, when and where, and in what church? Were you ever baptized? If yes, when and where, and in what church? In entering marriage, did both of you intend to enter a permanent union that would last until death? If not, explain what the intention was. Was there any discussion about divorce or about what would happen if the marriage did not prove to be happy? Were either of you reluctant or hesitant about getting married? And were there any factors or special circumstances forcing the marriage? Please explain in detail. What was your age at the time of the wedding? What was the age of your former spouse? In entering marriage, did either of you intend to postpone or exclude children? Was this a temporary postponement? Please give the reason for it. Was this a permanent exclusion? Please give the reason for it. In your opinion, what factors contributed to the breakup of the marriage? Please submit as much information as possible. Cite examples, circumstances. Also specify when these factors started or became evident. Were these factors also in evidence before marriage? Please elaborate on any traits of character or behavioral patterns on the part of either or both parties that would indicate inability to accept the obligations of marriage or a lack of readiness for marriage. What were your job and your work record? Your former spouses? In what ways did you feel that money should be spent? Your former spouse? Was money that was needed for necessities spent irresponsibly by either of you? Did you and your former spouse have goals and long-range plans and make adequate provisions for the future? Please evaluate your former spouse before and during the marriage under the following headings, especially indicate if there were any significant changes before and or during the marriage. Maturity, stability, selfishness, jealousy, possessiveness, manner and quality of communication, ability to accept correction, sensitivity, truthfulness,